Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia. I make videos on fashion and lifestyle, and on today's video I will unbox my brand new Chanel wallet on chain that I got for my birthday. I already posted a video on my Chanel shopping that I'm gonna put in here just in case if you wanna check that out. I bought a Chanel wallet on chain which is in white caviar leather with lacquered metal. I always wanted to have a white bag, and white Chanel is a dream for me. It was a dream for me, and whenever I look for a white Chanel bag, I always found them in lambskin. I'm so paranoid about lambskin because I'm so scared of having dents, color transfer issues, things like that. I mean, that's just me. Lambskin bag, they look good, but I am so scared to use them. So I kept looking for a white caviar leather, and finally I found one. This is like a dream come true, and without further ado, let's dive into the video. Drumroll please. So this is the box, and let's open it. This is my receipt, and the envelope is so cute. I will take it closer. So I love this envelope, and I always like to keep them safe. And here comes the mini care guide book. Your Chanel small leather item is unique and comes with an identity card to guarantee its authenticity. And the card number is also printed on the inside of the item. Here they mention that they checked for tensile strength and tension. However, they're still considered to be delicate products. Do not overfill your small leather item to help preserve its shape year after year. Yes, I do not overfill my bag ever. And what they say, it also mentioned that avoid contact between your light colored leather product and dark clothing to protect it from potential color transfer, and conversely, dark colored leather can stain lighter fabrics. Okay, particularly sensitive to color transfer, lambskin leather, petal leather, suede, nubuck leather fabrics, jerseys, tweed, etc. See, that's why I am always scared to use lambskin leather. Do not expose leather to light, neutral, and artificial or moisture for prolonged periods. And they recommended to polish the metal part with a soft cloth. Any use of cleaning products may damage the finish of the hardware. Care or cleaning products like cream, wax, waterproofing agent, etc. I don't do this. I don't use any kind of product to take care of my bag. Let me know in comments below if you use any leather lotion or leather care product to clean up the bag or to take care of the bag, and if you have good experience with it, I'd like to know. With normal use, it is normal for your product to develop a sheen over time. I don't mind. And I love this line. Day after day, it will reveal a new aspect of its beauty and of its history and yours. This is so cute. And they also recommended to store the item inside the pouch when you don't use it. So this care book is very important. Whenever I get a new item, I never forget to read this. That gives you the proper direction to take care of the item. There she is. Guys, she deserves another drum roll. So there she is. And you really can tell that I didn't unbox my bag yet. I was waiting to do it with you. When you look at this bag, the first thing you notice is this logo. This is big and this is black, which is very eye-catchy. And this caviar leather is like bright white, like true white. This is not ivory, this is really white. And black and white combination is so perfect, and this is so classy, this is so beautiful. I just love this. I will take it closer to the camera so that you can see. Let's look closer. This is caviar leather, lacquered metal, and this is the chain. This is thicker than the other wallet on chain. I really love this bag. This is so bright white, and the black metal added more contrast to this. On my last video, I mentioned that I wanted to have the mini rectangle bag, but I got this wallet on chain, and to be honest, I am very happy that I got the wallet on chain because I think that the mini rectangle bag that looks a little bit puffier, and this one looks much more structured, and I love structured items, so this is so perfect. Like I say that I always wanted to have a white bag, but I always find them in goatskin or lambskin. And just so you know guys, my essay told me that they're gonna make more goatskin bag than caviar bags. Goatskin processing is much more environment friendly. Maybe that's why. I love caviar and I'm so happy that I got a caviar leather bag. This beautiful wallet on chain retails for $2,725 US. Oh, I forgot to mention, the wallet on chain came with this dust bag. This is pretty. The outer part of the dust bag is very smooth, some very soft material. Inner part is cotton. This is pretty. Since this is the white wallet on chain, my essay gave me this white dust bag, and I'm gonna keep it in this white dust bag because I want to avoid color transfer. And I'm so grateful to my essay that she helped me to find this wallet on chain. I was looking for the mini rectangle bag, but this sold out, so she told me that they're going to have a wallet on chain in the same combination, white caviar leather and lacquer metal. So if I was interested, she showed me the pictures from their inventory and I instantly fell in love with the wallet on chain. I say that yes, I am getting it, and she helped me to get this wallet on chain. Later, I searched their website to see this wallet on chain. I saw the black caviar leather with lacquer metal, but I didn't find the white one. I don't know why, but I'm happy that I got it. Let's get back to the topic, my beautiful wallet on chain. I'm so excited guys. And this beautiful wallet on chain is 4.8 inch in height, 7.5 inch in length, and 1.4 inch in width. And this strap is about 48-inch long. This strap is really beautiful, and I think that this is slightly heavier than the regular wallet on chain. And this part of the strap is very different than the other wallet on chain, and you can see the CC logo here and here. I love the detail, and this strap is attached here and here. Like other wallet on chains, you cannot rotate the strap. And this pocket is called Mona Lisa pocket because Coco Chanel, when she designed this bag, she thought of Mona Lisa's smile and she made this compartment, and here she used to put her tip. So this is iconic. So let's look at the bag. There is a chain compartment, and I believe that this compartment goes all the way down to the wallet on chain. So this is like one single compartment. This has snap closure, and it says Chanel here. When you close the bag, the chain here that hits this part of the bag, so it is very natural to have dents. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the leather in here and then close like this, and I'm gonna keep the zip like this to avoid dents as much as possible. And this has one billfold here, one chain compartment here, and this is my authenticity card for the bag. And I'm gonna keep this insert, and I see the serial number inside here. And this wallet on chain has 6 card slots, and since I mentioned that this chain is thicker than the other wallet on chain, so let's see if we can shorten the chain. So you can wear as a short strap shoulder bag if you want, but if I crisscross the chain like this, then there is a possibility of having crease here, so I will not do that. I will rather wear this as a long strap shoulder bag or crossbody bag. That's just my personal opinion. Now let's see what fits in it. So when I carry wallet on chain, I don't carry a bunch of items in my bag because I don't like to overfill my bag. Usually in my wallet on chain, I like to carry a separate card case, a mini lipstick, a mini Chanel perfume, my breath mist, hand sanitizer, hand lotion. Yeah, pretty much that's it. Let's try with the big thing, the card case, my hand sanitizer, then a mini Chanel chance, and my mini lipstick. This is Huda Beauty lipstick in shade Venus that I'm wearing today. I love this lipstick. The formula is amazing. This is very lightweight and that doesn't make my lip feel very dry, so I recommend this. My breath mist, this is by Crest, and my cell phone. So yeah, so that fits pretty much all the items that I carry in my bag. And looking at the side, you can tell that I still have some room to fill, but I will stop here. And since this is a wallet on chain, instead of carrying this big card case, I can keep my cards in here. Maybe I can carry a mini lotion. And that looks better. And hand lotion is important because when you sanitize your hand, the alcohol that makes your skin very dry, so having a lotion in your bag is very good. So probably I will not carry this big card case or a flat card case rather than this, so that I can carry my lotion. So guys, that's it. I'm so excited about my wallet on chain. I cannot wait to wear it. And to take care of this bag, I think that I'll be more careful about color transferring. I will not wear this with my sequin dresses or colored dresses or deep colored dresses. And when I will store this, I'm going to keep the chain away from the bag. That my essay told me. I'm not going to use any kind of lotion or any leather goods. Yeah, I'm so excited about my bag and I love this. This is one of the best of my Chanel collection, and black and white combination is my favorite. And I think that this bag is so cool. I can dress it up and I can dress it down. So if you want to share some tips and tricks how you take care of your white leather bags, let me know. And also let me know how do you like my videos. And if you like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe because that inspires me. And I will see you next week. Bye!